again here. Just wanted to share a card I'm going to make for the Your Next Stamp Current Blog Challenge. So I've already die cut most of what I'm going to use today, but I'll just share with you what I'm going to use to make the card. So I'm going to use this Your Next stamp set called Hello Dear. I'm going to use one of the images, and then I've already cut out my panel. So I've cut out one of the largest frames from this new to me set called Lacy Layers. So I've got the largest, and then I've just cut another panel with my trimmer, and then the next layer in on that one. These are really pretty. And then from that I've cut a few more of those panels, and then I've die cut some sort of scalloped borders using these scallop edges from MFT. That's going to be my grass. Excuse me sniffing. And then I've also cut some clouds out using my Avery Elle pierced clouds, and I've done 3 of those, 2 from cardstock and 1 from vellum. So hopefully I can colour that in using my distress inks and make it look all pretty. I will include a picture of the sketch challenge, or the sketch for this challenge, in so you can see what my inspiration is. It looks quite different. I've kind of taken the scallops and I'm going to run with it. So this is what I'm going to do, and I hope you enjoy. is my card so far. I haven't stuck down any layers yet, but I'm going to use, I think, this sentiment. Let's see. It is, you can see that, the Mama Elephant Winter Tagging and Winter Wishes set. And I'm going to use Happy Birthday or Happy B-Day because I can't quite fit it on or anything else on, and I'm always struggling with sentiments. That is something I struggle with, so I'm trying to get better at that. But hey, I think it looks quite pretty and I like it. So I'm going to stick down my layers and use my Misty to help me position my stamp, and I'm going to heat emboss that. So yeah, hopefully it'll fit in quite nicely. Okay.